Good morning, students. So the chapter, first poem from Poetry Magic we have started, that is Uphill. And in that discussion we have discussed about that poet has asked 8 questions within 4 stanzas, and each answers actually give us that message that at the end all will be well. Is it? So as I said, uphill is actually compares to the journey of our life, the whole journey our life from birth to death. The whole journey is compared here with uphill. It's a metaphorical poem. Before only I said metaphorical poem. Metaphor, it's a figure of speech. Is it? It's a metaphorical poem, and metaphor is a figure of speech comparing. So here is a comparison uphill with the life journey. As poet says that while we are going upwards uphill, it's very challenging towards us. Is it? It's very hard work to go towards uphill. Likewise, in our life also, it is very hard. Sometimes good, sometimes bad, but all the hazards ultimately we are facing in our life's journey. It is also challenging. So it's a comparison. So in the sense, poem is metaphorical poem. Now, first 2 stanzas we have already discussed, and on those stanzas we come to know that poet has asked 2 questions in each stanzas. So totally 4 questions she has asked. And the first question is that whenever we'll go uphill, the windy road will be there till the end. And the poet has said yes, it will be to the very end. Second question, she asks that is the journey will take whole day long? Then the poet has answered yes, from morn to night. Third question, the poet has asked that in the night time, is there will be any resting place? And the answer has come yes, there will be one place to rest for all, and that is an inn. And the fourth question, she asks that whenever we'll go uphill, night will occur. In the evening time, can possible that darkness will hide that place, particular place? Then the answer will come no. You cannot miss that inn. Means everyone have to go there. Everyone has to go there, and everyone will stay on that particular place, that particular inn. So up to this we have discussed. As I said before, that morn means birth and night means, I said, death. There's one more metaphor comparison is there. Now let us come to the third stanza. What is there? In the third stanza, poet said, shall I meet other wayfarers at night, those who have gone before? Now he is not only one person who is having this journey. Like we all are having our own journey towards that end, is it? So the poet is asking, I will go on that uphill, it is okay, but on the way, shall I meet others wayfarers? Wayfarers means other person, other people. I shall meet those who have gone before, those who has already gone there. So shall I meet them? The fifth question, shall I meet others wayfarers at night? Then the sixth question, poet has asked, then must I knock or call when just in sight? Here knock means confession of sin. Okay, there is inner meaning of knock. What is that? Confession of, it's a kind of confession. In Christian mythology it is said that whenever you are confessing because of your sin, you should knock on that door. So here in means, as we said that before, it's a heaven, is it? So whenever the person is actually entering into that place, he is knocking on the door. Means first he confessed all about his all the deeds he has done before. So for that sin, he is confessing first by knocking at the door. And call when just in sight. Sight means when the other wayfarers will be there. When the other wayfarers will be there, that time shall I knock on the door or call? That what to do? They will not keep you waiting at the door. The answer has come that whenever you will go there, you don't have to wait to enter in that place. They will not keep you waiting at the door. it is telling that in Christian mythology, whenever you are going to enter into that world, before you have to confess about your sin, and after that you will be forgiven before entering into that place, means heaven. Okay, so in the third stanza, two questions. Whenever we'll go there, other wayfarers will be there in night. He said yes, those who have gone before, you will meet with them. And he said that whenever I will reach on that place, shall I knock on the door or I will call for the side? Then he said that no one will stop and wait for their entry. They should not have wait there. In the last stanza, what poet is telling that, shall I find comfort? Travel sore and weak. Because we know that whenever we do any kind of travel and all, we at the end of the day we are restless that time. We need some rest. The poet is asking that whenever I'll reach there, shall I get that comfort which I need after that troublesome walk? Then because I'm feeling weak, rest, can I found there rest or not? Of labor you shall find the sum. Whatever deed you have done in your life related with that, you will get comfort. Okay, how much you have do hard work in your life, at the end of the day definitely you'll get that comfort and rest. Will there be beds for me and all who seek? He said at last, the last question is asked by the speaker is that, shall I get that bed where I can just take rest? Or whoever is needed, who will seek for the bed, they'll get for, yeah, beds for all who come. There all the beds are there who will come there. For all beds are provided who will come there. And like you also will get a bed, because you ultimately come to the end of your life. Is it? So here the replay, yeah, beds for all who come, is actually is given because there are plenty of rooms for all, and for the rooms, each rooms having or carrying beds for all, those who seek for the bed. And those who have successfully completed their journey, they will definitely get all the comforts at the end of their travel-so journey, and ultimately they'll get their own bed there as it is provided before. So here in short we come to know that the poem is metaphorical in nature. Here uphill means our life's journey, which is very challenging, and in our life's journey whatever works we are doing, it is related with that only. So it is not at all a very easy work, but the poet is consoling us that no, though the life's journey is very challenging, but then also at the end we'll get all the comforts related to our deeds. And before that, whenever we'll enter into that place, we have to confess our sin, and for that only we'll get forgiveness, and after that we can enter that. Enter there means heaven. So this is only the poem Uphill. Hopefully though it is metaphorical, inner meanings are there, but then also it is not difficult to understand. Okay, line by line I have explained. So what you have to do, go through all the lines properly, try to understand the meaning of the poem, and after that overall discussion again I will do about this poem, and then few question answer I will give you which you have to write. Okay, till then just read all the lines, meanings, try to understand the inner meaning, because summary you have to prepare one. Okay, so one thing you do, go through the poem, all the lines, meanings and all you do, then prepare a summary. It will be easy for you to understand. If you prepare the summary, that means you can understand what I said. Okay, whatever points, key points I have given, just try to note down all those and prepare a summary. After that summary, I'll give you 2-3 questions I'll set here. So I'll provided that to you, and I'll be provided that to you, and after that again the question answer we'll discuss. Okay, till then just read the poem properly and try to understand the meaning. Thank you, class.